Flipping someone off or displaying your middle finger is a well-known nonverbal gesture used to express anger or frustration towards others. This classic gesture can be executed simply by extending your middle finger while facing the person, but there are various creative and comedic techniques to enhance the effect, such as using both hands for a double finger flip-off, or pretending to itch your face while subtly raising your middle finger. You might also consider more elaborate moves, like the Jack-in-the-Box, where you mimic winding up a toy before revealing your middle finger, or the balloon, which involves pretending to inflate your fingers. While these gestures can provide a humorous outlet for frustration, it's essential to use them wisely, as they can provoke confrontations or escalate tensions.